Welcome back to Cooking with Reagan. I'm your host, Chef Reagan. We've already filmed this intro 3 times now, and we've realized after the first 2 times it didn't have audio. So if this doesn't work, we're gonna have an episode of Chef Reagan has a mental breakdown in his kitchen. But that won't happen.
Or we can do a Charlie Chaplin.
I'm doing this on purpose, just so you all know. I don't want to hear from a bunch of angry freshmen, "Oh, you didn't whisk the eggs right. Oh, you shouldn't have seared the steak."
$5.36.
Oh my goodness. I am so proud of myself. You guys have no idea. I know how to cook a chicken. And I wash my hands at some point.
Potato up. Potato down.